Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo. This is a speaking class to practice speaking in English, using what we learned before about holidays, vacations and travel, and when and where questions through 3 exercises.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to speak and practice.
First, shadowing helps you listen and repeat with good rhythm. Next, read aloud helps you read clearly and speak with confidence. Finally, describe the picture helps you use simple words to talk about what you see.
That sounds useful and not too difficult.
Exactly, Nexo. Let us begin with shadowing. Shadowing. In shadowing, listen and repeat after each short phrase.
Okay, I will listen carefully and repeat.
Where is my passport? It is in my suitcase. When do we take the plane? We take the bus at noon. Where is the hotel? The hotel is near the beach. I have my ticket. She has a camera. Where are my sunglasses? They are on the towel. When does the train leave? The guide is at the museum. Where do you eat? We eat at a restaurant. Put on sunscreen. The pool is very blue. Read aloud. Good work with shadowing. Now we will do read aloud. Nexo reads the text first, and then you pause the video and read it calmly.
I am ready to read it aloud. Today, I am at the beach with my sister. We have a small suitcase, 2 towels, sunglasses, and sunscreen. Our hotel is near the sea. At noon, we take a bus to a museum. Where is our map? It is in my bag. When do we eat? We eat at a small restaurant in the evening.
Great reading, Nexo. You did it well.
Thank you, Emma. It was short and clear.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and read the text aloud. Describe the picture. Great work, everyone. Now, describe what you see in the picture and try to use the words on the screen and the grammar we studied.
I can try first.
Yes, Nexo. You try first, and after that, the viewer will do it.
In the picture, a family is at a sunny beach near a big hotel. A blue suitcase is open on a towel, and a passport and a ticket are on top. The father has sunglasses and a hat. Near the pool, a woman looks at a map. A guide talks to two children. A small restaurant is next to the pool. There is a bus in front of the hotel, and a plane is in the sky. Where is the camera? It is on the small table.
Now it is your turn, viewer. Pause the video and describe the picture in your own way, using the words on the screen.
Short sentences are okay, right?
Exactly. Do not make it complicated. Use short and simple sentences. For example, beach. The beach is sunny. And hotel. The hotel is near the pool. Now it is your turn again. Pause and speak. And little by little, you will do it better.